This is the XT range from Cub Cadet, a more premium range of tractors. This XT2 has a bumper here for protection at the front of the tractor. This XT2 has got a dedicated side discharge or mulching lawnmower. So there's no collection system on the back. It's hydrostatic drive, so the pedal to go forward and the pedal to go back. Just much smoother, easier to use tractor. It has heights of grass cutting here, so it goes up to 8 different heights of grass. The deck has 4 wheels on the bottom of it. The 4 wheels help with the contour, so it means that you won't scalp your grass and you've got grass will be cut all the same length. You can adjust the heights of these wheels when you're cutting as well. This cutting deck is 41 inches and it has a deck wash facility to help with the general maintenance of it. This is a very powerful tractor and is a very good tractor for medium to large size grass where you don't want to collect in your garden. So the XT2 range can come with either side discharge or can come with collection systems. They have V-twin engines on all models of the XT2. They have a heavy duty cast iron front axle. They can cut grass from 8,000 square metres up to 9,000 square metres on the XT2 range. They have a tight turn extreme, which means that you can very easily turn at the end of each of your line of cutting. A very comfortable drive with a high backed seat